And just on Mendy, I've seen that he's in Hong Kong now, is it?
In Barcelona.
Yeah, I know he was in Barcelona yesterday, just going by his Instagram, but I think he's now at Hong Kong airport.
Wow, I didn't know it.
Is
He's a lucky guy.
well, I was going to ask, does he not need to be around? Does he not need to be around the team in meetings and that kind of thing? But I guess if you didn't know he was there.
Oh, before it's time, I'm going one day to Paris. Okay, it's here, but Hong Kong is far away.
Yeah.
So I don't know. I'm going. I have to install Instagram in my account.
Yeah,
to
it's pretty useful.
because I don't know. Really, I don't know. Do you know it?
No.
You have to know it.
There was an Instagram post, but we're not sure it's definitely.
It's not sure.
In the right place.
Yesterday I was in Barcelona.
Yeah. Would that be okay then if he's in Hong Kong? Or
not? No, definitely not. Definitely not.
Ya que nos encontraste, no nos pierdas. Suscríbete a nuestro canal de YouTube de Telemundo Deportes.